What's up, guys? In today's video, we found some insane things at Walmart, so make sure that you watch to the end and you listen to some of the things I'm saying, because you'll figure out how and why we found these things. Enjoy. There's no way. I just walk into Walmart and there's just a Super on the first rack. Like, this looks like a wreck. It doesn't look like anything you'd find a Super in. Alright, right here in the bottom shelf, I just dug out the treasure hunt, and it's right back there. That's insane. And I'll explain what happened in a second. So I'm not trying to get copyrighted here because of loud music, so I'm just going to say something. But basically, I said it in the video, I'll just explain it again. They were moving around all the toys in the store, so they just moved this around, and they had so many boxes of things that we managed to find and go through. Haven't seen those yet. This is the treasure hunt. Zamac Corvette? Wait, I have not seen that yet. Oh, nothing back there. That's insane. This stuff never happens at a Walmart, because if the employees don't get to it, then there's a billion people that do. But the reason why this most likely happened was because they used to have the toys back there, and I guess they moved the whole setup over here. So they must have just stocked, and I was sitting right here, the Super, and then the treasure hunt was down here. That's crazy. I've not seen this set at all. I've not seen a trace of this set on YouTube. Partly because I just haven't been watching a lot of Diecast YouTube recently, but these two are really awesome. And so is that Honda. I think I'm going to get these. And then leave the rest for everybody else. We still have this set, which I'm surprised we do, because this was an awesome set. It's had the Hellcat, the GT 500, really nice Camaro, C8 Corvette, and a Viper. So, I mean, this set was solid, but there's that. Not a Hellcat, it had a Demon. I'm surprised, how is this thing still sitting here? Like, I think that get eaten up quickly. I don't get that. We still have the exotic MV Aston Martin sitting there. BMW i8, haven't seen much of those. This BRE Sentra is really cool looking. But I can't get the whole set just for that. I mean, the whole thing, I'm a fan of Datsun stuff. I'm not a giant fan of Japanese, but I like Datsun. And this whole set's really cool. We're at the same Walmart, and we got a green light case, so I'm hopefully gonna chase on this. I was hoping that there was gonna be a chase here. There's no chase. I don't even know if these TV series ones come with a chase, but I was really hoping it was this truck. And unfortunately, it's not. But oh well, it's still really cool. So we got Zamax, Super, and a regular. This series, I'm not getting all those Civics, but that series. Green light box, no chase, and then a whole car culture Slide Street 2 set. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Comment down below what you guys think of this Super and of this treasure hunt. Personally, I think they're really cool. I'll be uploading one long form video every single day for the next month, so stay tuned for that and keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.